Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video, I'm going to show you Vavada promo codes as of 2025. So here you can see that I'm currently on vavada.com, and here in order to find the working promo codes in 2025, you just have to open the new tab in your web browser and you simply need to type Vavada promo code 2025. Now once you do this, you will be able to see this website, that is casinosanalyzer.com. so you can just click on it, or you can even just scroll down a bit in order to find some more promo codes related website. So here I'm not able to find any other, so let's just go over here. And as you can see that they have mentioned Vavada promo codes here, so you just have to scroll down a bit in order to find the latest bonuses. So this is the promo code which you can click on the reveal option, and it will show you how you need to just get this promo code. Basically it will show you the requirements, so you just have to fulfill those requirements in order to avail this particular promo code. So you can just scroll down a bit in order to find more promo codes. And yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.